How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can log out Snapchat account from all other devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now to log out from other devices, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. From here again, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and under password there is two-factor authentication, tap on it. Now if you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, enable it, and once you enable it, you will land in this interface. From here, tap on the last option, that is forget devices, and this page you will be able to find all the devices where you have logged into your Snapchat account. From there, select the device that you would like to remove, tap on it. After that, you will have an option to remove or forget. Tap on it, and with that you will be logged out of Snapchat account from that device. So that's the way to log out Snapchat account from all the devices, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.